Greetings, mortals. Sure is pumpkin season. It's looking pumpkiny out there, alright. Do you love Halloween? Do you love Halloween? Today we're going to indulge in the great activity of pumpkin carving. Just me and my fellow dragon. The subject of today's pumpkin, my greatest gift to the world, my muse, my beast, my beloved dog. That's a scout. Get on your chair. This is her chair. We bought it just for her. I've got a fucking art degree, just so y'all know. Wait. Elegant. Poised. Fluffy. Good girl, wait. Oh, good girl. You're so exquisite and beautiful. This pumpkin is gonna look just like her. Oh, thank you, my muse. I mean, I guess this kind of looks like a dog. You gotta add in the eyebrows. The most important part of the Australian Shepherd. My good girl. Does this look like a dog or does this look like a horrible monster? I don't know, what do you think?
As long as you know where to carve.
Don't. What do you think? Does that pumpkin look like you? Does it look like you? Can you say happy Halloween? It's baby's first Halloween. She's 7. Oh, God. I mean, they sell pumpkin carving tools, but they're cheap. Plastic. Horrible. Could they really hold up better than ye old kitchen knife? I think not. My good girl. Just my good girl. I have to change tactics regarding carving when I go to the face. Turn it to keep knives away from dogs. God, what is in this thing? I mean, I know it's pumpkin seeds, but like, it feels like at some point I hit a rock that I've got to like drive it through. It's delicate as a surgeon. And like magic, bowl. Spoon we found at the river. Pumpkin guts. Oh, it feels so bad. Oh. Yeah, I'll carve a pumpkin for a video. It'll be easy. Sucks. Intensely back-breaking and laborious work. Oof. Not too much pumpkin. You'll poop yourself tonight, dog. This is so stressful because if I don't do a good job getting all this shit out, it might burn down our fucking house. Me doing the absolute most for my 12 followers. All my subscribers right now are just my real life friends, so it's just like I'm my squad's personal little clown. Another video of me using a knife in an inappropriate way. Are you sure? Okay. It's like stabbing into the face of my own dog. pumpkin is quite fragile. No! No! Ah! Anyways.
At this point, we decided we wanted to take some cute Halloween photos. However, our yard is ugly. Our neighbors, however, have a beautiful yard that we borrowed.
It's very cold out. Tonight, to light the pumpkin, we've got toasted marshmallow candle. It smells like Halloween. Fire. Now that is a pumpkin.